28 divided parenthesis 3 plus 6 divided 3 times 2 parenthesis closed, then times 2. How do you solve this? So as per the order of operation, you need to solve the parenthesis first. We solve parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. But remember this multiplication, division, this you have to do from left to right, whichever comes first, because they have equal priority, they are reciprocal action. So we cannot solve as per the letters of this mnemonic PEMDAS. We have to solve them from left to right. If you are getting division first from left to right, you will do the division first. If you are getting multiplication first, you will do the multiplication first. But if there is a choice between addition and multiplication, obviously you have to do multiplication first, or addition and division, or subtraction or division. The multiplication, division, these will take precedence. The choice of left to right is between multiplication and division, and not between division or addition. So for addition, subtraction also we do left to right, and for multiplication, division also we do left to right. Now within parenthesis also you have to follow this order of operation, this PEMDAS rule. So here in this question we have addition, division and multiplication. So we can't do this addition first. We have to do division or multiplication first before doing the addition. Now from left to right we have division. So we'll do division and not the multiplication. If you do the multiplication first, then it will be 3 plus 6 divided 3 times 2 is 6, then 6 divided by 6 is 1, and then 3 plus 1 is 4. You will get 4 as the answer for this parenthesis. But if you do the left to right rule, what will be the answer? We write all other operations as it is. 28 divided 3 plus, now 6 divided by 3 is 2, then 2 times 2 bracket close, then times 2, again 28 divided, before addition we will do multiplication, so it is 3 plus 2 times 2 is 4, then times 2, or 28 divided 3 plus 4 is 7. Now write 7. Once the operation is done, we can remove the bracket, then times 2. Again here you have the choice of division and multiplication, which operation to do first. Here also you will do the left to right rule. Always remember this rule. Now from left to right we have division first. So it will be 28 divided by 7 is 4. Then 4 times 2 is 8. So 8 will be the correct answer. What is your answer? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.